Have you ever dreamed of building wealth alongside someone special? Maybe it's your spouse, a partner, or even a close friend with similar financial goals. You talk about the future, vacations on exotic beaches, or that dream house. But how do you translate those dreams into reality, especially when it comes to investing? That's where Betterment comes in. Betterment is a fantastic robo-advisor platform that helps you invest your money automatically, but what if you want to grow your wealth with someone by your side? Well, fear not, because Betterment offers a fantastic feature, joint accounts. This video will take you through the easy steps of adding someone to your Betterment account and show you the benefits of joint investing. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's unlock the world of shared financial dreams with Betterment's joint accounts. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand the difference between adding a joint account holder and simply designating a beneficiary. A beneficiary inherits your investment account upon your passing. With a joint account holder, you're essentially creating a shared investment pool where both parties have ownership and can contribute funds. Alright, now that we've cleared that up, let's get started. There are two scenarios to consider. Scenario 1. Your partner already has a Betterment account. Perfect. This is the simplest scenario. Here's what you need to do. Log into your Betterment account, easy peasy. Navigate to the Accounts section. This might be under Investing or My Portfolio depending on your app version. Look for an option like Add Account or Open Joint Account. The platform will guide you through the process, prompting you for your partner's Betterment account information. Once you confirm, Betterment will send an invitation to your partner. They'll need to accept the invitation, and then voila! You've got a joint account ready to rock. Scenario 2. Your partner doesn't have a Betterment account yet. No worries. Betterment makes it easy for them to join the party. Here's how. Follow steps 1 and 2 from Scenario 1, logging in and navigating to the Accounts section. Instead of entering your partner's Betterment info, look for an option like Invite Someone or Create Joint Account with New User. You'll be prompted to enter your partner's email address. Betterment will send them an invitation to open a new Betterment account. Once they create their account, they can accept the joint account invitation, and you'll be good to go. Throughout this process, remember to keep the communication open with your partner. Discuss your investment goals, risk tolerance, and contribution strategy. Having open conversations about money up front can prevent misunderstandings down the line. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of using a joint Betterment account? Well, there are several. Shared goals, shared success, working towards a financial goal together can be incredibly motivating. You can track your progress, celebrate milestones, and hold each other accountable. Unified investment strategy. Having a joint account ensures you're both aligned on your asset allocation and risk tolerance. This streamlined approach can simplify your investment journey. Simplified contribution. Contributing to a single account can make saving easier. You can set up automatic transfers for both parties, ensuring consistent progress towards your goals. Estate planning advantage. Joint accounts can provide some advantages in terms of estate planning. It's always best to consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice, but joint accounts can potentially simplify the transfer of assets upon the passing of a co-owner. Remember, joint accounts come with a certain level of responsibility. Make sure you trust the person you're adding and have a clear understanding of your financial goals and risk tolerance. That said, Betterment's joint accounts offer a fantastic way to invest alongside someone special. It can be a fun and rewarding experience to build wealth together. So, why not give it a try? With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy investing.